Hello friends. Today we are going to see that how we can control the overheating of the processor. This video I am making because my processor is getting overheat and I don't have any control. So sometime it's getting hang, sometime it's like freezing, and sometime it's like really restarting. So I don't have any option to stop this. I tried a lot of things. I have replaced the motherboard, applied a thermal paste, cleaning a fan, replacing a heat sink, and this thing. So the last option is that I have to just monitor the temperature and take the action whenever it's reaching the highest temperature. And so I'm just going to show you how you can do this. You need to use one tool which is called this core temperature, core temp 1.11. So this is the tool which will monitor and control your temperature. So you will avoid any condition where you see that your temperature is rising the maximum level. So you can set the overheat protection by using this tool, and you can see the temperature here, which is you can see the max temperature. So this means this, yeah, you can see this. Sorry, yeah. So you can see the max temperature here for the core 1, and you can see the max temperature here for the core 0. So this is the maximum temperature where this processor have been reached yet. After this, you can see the minimum temperature, which is 38 and the 40. So that is the minimum temperature. You can see here, this one or this one, right? And you can see the current temperature, which is showing here the for the core 0 and core 1. So which is this is for core 0, right? And this is for core 1. Sorry. Yeah. So this is for core 1. So this is the current temperature. If it's rising, you will see the maximum temperature will cross here, right? And you can see the CPU load here for both of the cores, and you can see the other details also, which is like a processor 0, how many cores you have, which one, which is the processor, and these kind of details. So you can go to the option and you can select the overheat protection. There are other options also which you can set. I will come to that. So sorry, let me just clear this out. Yeah. So you can see the overheat protection here. So the overheat protection you need to activate, and you need to select the temperature where you want to trigger this alert. So for me, I have set this up to 90 degrees centigrade. So you can set up to like 80, which is sufficient. Actually, the processor should not go more than 80-degree. If it's going, then means there is some problem with the processor. It should go maximum to 80, 85. That is the maximum temperature, and the heatsink should get it cool. So if it's going more higher than the 85 or 90, means it's like very bad for the processor, and processor can get burn or something. So you can set the threshold here like a 90 degrees centigrade, and you can select this option, balloon pop-up and flash core temperature at the taskbar. So you can see if you selecting this option, flash core temperature at the taskbar, so like the temperature will be flashing at your taskbar. So you can see the temperature without opening the this console and this thing. Okay, and you can take the actions which you can see here. So these are the actions. So you can see that if you enable this option, and you can see these actions like a put system to sleep, hibernate, or power down, and you can select the timing. You can see the timing here. For me, it's set to 30 seconds. So 30 seconds means like it will give you the warning for a 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, it's going to take these actions which are mentioned here. So whatever is selected, it will do that after 30 seconds. For example, for my case, it's selected power down. So it will shut down the laptop completely, and it will remove the power. It will like means shut down completely. And so these are the options you can set it up. So in this case, you will like in this case you can just save your processor by burning it out, and you can still get the work without interrupting or something. I won't say like without interrupting. Definitely, it will. It's not good to have the processor heat up. But if you don't have any alternate or any other options, then this is the good tool. I will share the link in the description so you can use the software to download. It's free and there is no cost for the software, so you can use it for the personal use. And you can monitor your processor temperature and like you can take the necessary actions according to the processor temperature. There are few other settings which we will see here. So you can see the setting is like enable the plugins, start the core temperature with the Windows, check the updates at the startup. So you can select this as per your requirement. For example, every time you want to start this when the Windows is getting startup, so you can select this option where you where the Windows is coming up. So this software will also start automatically. You can see the setting here, so you can enable this option, right? And there are other things which is not really very important, but you can go through with that also if it's required for you. Okay, so I'm just signing off here now, and let me know if you need anything in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you on this. Thank you. Bye bye.